Hey guys, thanks for tuning in once again, and today I'm gonna do this look especially for all the sisters out there for Rakhi. So I've kept like two things in mind because Rakhi comes in August, typically August, and it's really humid, so I have kept my makeup really matte. Secondly, and nobody got time to get dressed up on Rakhi, so I have kept this eye look like really simple, so that you can get ready within 5 minutes, because I guess that's the kind of time we have when we are getting ready on Rakhi. Guys, I remember Rakhi being a very rushed festival, honestly, very fun filled but rushed festival, because I have to go to my dadis, then I have to go to my nannies, and there are long traffic on the road, so you really have to get on the road really soon. So this look is basically a beginner's 5 minutes look that you can create, because that's the amount of time we have when we have to get ready on Rakhi. So if you like what you're seeing, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I've already washed and moisturized my face and also primed it with L'Oreal Beige Magique, and now I'm using one of my most favorite foundations, that is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and putting 2 drops of this Indulgio Rose Gold oil in it and creating a magic potion and applying it all over my face with the help of my fingers. So guys, as you can see, I've taken very little amount of my foundation because Rakhi is a all day long affair and you guys are traveling, at least I am, and the weather is also very humid, so I don't want my foundation to sit heavy on my face or appear cakey in any which way. So I'm sticking to a very natural kind of a look. And now I've taken my Pack Beauty blender and blending it all out, as you can see right here. Yes, and I'm also taking my foundation down my neck. Of course, that is really important to create an even base. And now I'm just taking a closer look at my base. Now I'm taking my Fit Me concealer and concealing my usual areas. You guys know the drill: under my eyes, my eyelids, my nose, my lip area, my chin, my forehead, and again blending it all out. So guys, I've also created another festive look that is basically for teeth, so I would be linking it somewhere, so do check that out. And I'm still blending and blending some more till I get an even base out of it. So guys, just for brightening my concealed areas, I'm taking my Age Rewind concealer. It's a shade or two lighter, so I am using it and applying very little amount of it on my concealed areas, as you can see, and again taking my beauty blender and blending it all out. Guys, I can never emphasize enough the importance of blending to get a perfect base, and I do have a video solely dedicated for the base, so you can definitely check that one out. So now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and with the help of my Damp Beauty Blender, I'm placing it very carefully just beneath my under eyes and baking my under eyes. As you can see, there's still some powder there, so I'm taking my fluffy powder brush and just tapping off the excess and very gently just setting my whole face with it, as you can see right here. So guys, this step is also very important because it kind of helps to increase the longevity of the makeup. And with that, now I'm off to my contour. I'm using my Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette and taking the darker shade and placing it on the hollows of my cheeks and of course my forehead, because I have a big forehead, and my jawline, and of course I am kind of blending it all out because that is what we do. So guys, that blending is really important because especially on these kind of occasions like Rakhi and all, you're going to meet a lot of people and you don't want to look like a joker now, do you? So after a minute or so, I've kind of baked my under eyes, and now I'm very carefully taking off the excess powder. And now I am on to the contouring of my nose because I do have a big fat nose. So I'm doing it with the help of my finger here, So guys, here you need to be careful. Just make sure that you, whenever you are kind of placing the product, place it from the, you know, starting point of a brow, so that it gives you a very natural kind of a look. So now I'm taking that lighter powder in my contouring palette and just correcting my contour, or you can say just sharpening it and placing the same powder on the high points of my face where I've concealed. And now I've taken a fluffy powder brush and I'm just blending it all out so that there are no harsh lines or excess powder on my face, because that's not the look that we are aiming for now, are we? And just tapping all the excess product off my face so that I get this natural kind of a look and my face has some dimension. Of course, I have to give some love to my lips, so I'm applying my lip balm right now so that when I do my eyes, my lips are all hydrated and moist to take on my liquid mattes. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Duo Shaper Fashion Brow Pencil and just doing my eyebrows, because guys, that's an important step. And now I am taking this UK Beauty palette and taking that beautiful orange shade and placing it in my crease. As you can see, I'm not putting too much pressure on my brush. Very gently I am kind of placing the color, and I know the pigmentation not so great, but I do want to have this light color, and that is the only reason I've taken this palette. And I'll be doing the same on my other eye, because of course that is what we all want. And now from I am taking my mascara palette and using this orange shade all over my lid. So basically I use that UK Beauty palette, that lighter shade, just to create a gradation within orange shade, if you know what I mean. And now I am using my fingers to intensify the color, and then I have taken my Pro Art blending brush, which is absolutely squeaky clean, and just blending everything out. Then I'm taking this cutesy pinkish color and placing it on my lower lash line, because as you can see my clothes does have a little bit of pink in them, so why not. And then I'm taking the darker pinkish with the reddish undertone and just very lightly placing it near my crease, and blending all the colors out and intensifying my orange, and then again blending. Guys, blending is like really important, really important to make your eyes look flawless. And now I'm taking that beautiful brownish shade, brownish goldenish shade, and placing it on the high points of my eye, which is just exact middle part of the eye, and just with the help of my fingers just blending it a little bit, as you can see right here. And obviously I'll be doing the same with my other eye. And then I'm taking my Bare Necessities palette and taking this beautiful golden shade on my clean finger and intensifying that color that I already placed, and again blending any harsh lines whatsoever if there are any. And I guess that's about it. You can see they're all neatly blended. I'm now just intensifying my outer corner with a deep brown shade. Any brown will do, honestly, guys. And that is about it. And now I'm doing my highlighter in the inner corner of my eye, because I really like that. It just brings out your eyes. And I'm obviously placing the same color on my brow bone, highest point of my brow, and on my nose, as you can see here, and on my highest point of my cheek, normal places where you highlight. And now I don't know what came over me, I just kept my brush down and used my hands. Well, I don't know, tell me, if do you see any difference, just let me know. So guys, I am also highlighting my cupid's bow, and now I'm taking my plum kajal and placing it on my lower lash line and light lining my eyes. Now I've taken my Lakme Absolute eyeliner and done my eyeliner. And now I'm on to my mascara. I've taken my Lash Sensational mascara, and very quickly I'm on to my lashes. Guys, you can also do fake lashes, but as I said, and nobody got the time, so I am totally skipping that, and honestly I don't find any need for it. And of course, how can I not pose for the camera? So now, next and the final step is to take a fixing spray and fixing all that makeup, because it'll be a day long thing and you don't want your makeup to be caking and flaking and whatnot. So guys, this is how I achieved my whole look. I hope you guys learned a bit or two, and you're gonna rock this rakhi like a pro. If you like this look, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also hit the subscription button and the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any other uploads from my end. And guys, thanks for watching.